Philippians 4:11. I am saying this not because I am in need, but because I learned to be content, whatever the circumstances. Actually, sinabi yun ni Apostle Paul. Kung titingnan natin, nung babasahin natin continuously sa next verses, binanggit niya rin doon na nasubukan niya na naging mahirap, nasubukan na rin niya naging mayaman. Pero, he chose to be contented. Yeah, kasi minsan, no, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, nakakalimutan natin na maging content. Being content, it does not mean na wala ka ng pangarap, wala ka ng goal. To be contented, ibig sabihin ay whatever the circumstance, anong meron ka ngayon, you should be content. Ibig sabihin, you should be thankful. Okay, wag mo hanapin yung wala. Be thankful kung ano yung meron ka. Mayroon big difference ng content sa pagiging stagnant, no? Kapag stagnant ka, yan ang hindi pwede. Kasi ibig sabihin, wala ng growth, wala ng learnings. Pero yung contentment, it is good sa ating puso. Para tayo ay maging thankful. Whatever kung anong meron sa atin, let's be thankful. Maging contento tayo. Pero it does not mean na wala na tayong pangarap, wala na tayong aim na mag-grow. Okay? So be content that always magkaroon pa rin tayo ng pangarap. Okay? Be content, but of course, you should always grow. Ang learnings lang doon, whatever you have, ano bigay ng Panginoon, ano na-experience mo, your family, your finances, and everything, be content and be thankful. Philippians 4:11, I am not saying this because I am in need, but because I've learned to be content whatever the circumstances. God bless everyone. Be great. Avili knows humility is power.